Listen closely now. This can change your life. It changed my life, all right? And that's why I kind of like created it, came through me. It says this: one step in the right direction is worth 100 years of thinking about it. Let me repeat that. One step in the right direction is worth 100 years of thinking about it. So start small. Take a small step, a little 3.5 mile an hour step. That's all you have to do. Now, Newton said this. He said, a body in motion will tend to remain in motion, while a body at rest will tend to remain at rest. And so it's all about momentum, getting some momentum. And as you're doing well, what happens? You get doing well momentum. So here I am, 3.5 miles an hour. Hey, we're doing pretty good here. Let me just pump it up just a little bit, because I have a little more what? Confidence, right? Because I've already had experience. This little thing is working, all right? So here I am, and now I'm going up to, I'm going up to 4 miles an hour. Woohoo! Actually, I went to 4.9. Wow, we're flying. And that's how it works in every area of your life. You take a little thing, you get in the game, you start small, and you allow momentum to work with you.